We start with monthly chart, and we didn't have update for quite a long time. And when I see the chart, that was quite impressive. It was quite impressive for me because, as we can see, the Weismo is really sharp in compared to the other charts. Almost as if you see the price here is almost 9 to 10. The price is increased on more than 4 times. Anyway, we start to follow the chart from today. Even we try to have update for most of the chart since we see the market start to move. And based on monthly chart, we don't have much thing to discuss. The only thing is we want to see whether the price can break this zone, because with the breakout of this zone, we can look for continuation, and if we can, even we can expect the price to tag or break the all-time high. But mostly based on lower time frame, we can expect to see the correction before we see the continuation or the price tag all-time high. Anyway, if we move to lower time frame, if we move to the weekly chart, as I mentioned, if we get any opportunity for buy based on lower time frame, we'll take it. And the next target I'm looking for is 61, following by 78. And mostly we want to see whether the price can break this zone or not. Because with the breakout of this zone, we can expect the price tag all-time high. Okay. And if we refer to the indicators based on weekly, we don't have much information. That's why we move to lower time frame. We move to daily chart, and even based on daily chart, one of the indicators showing us a divergence. At this point, we don't need to really care about that. The only thing is we can expect to see the next correction similar to what we have here. All right, because if we move to lower time frame, we see we have a divergence based on forward chart. Okay, as I mentioned, any opportunity for buy for me, I will take it. And based on weekly and daily, this is the target 60 following by 78. This next two targets and the breakout of this one is very important for us. And how to look for trade? We have to look for trade based on lower time frame. If we move to forward chart, as I mentioned earlier, if we put this stop relative to the previous one, if we refer to the indicators, we see we have a divergence. All right, that's why we can expect to see either the daily correction or forward correction. The possibility for price to drop similar to any of this is very high. Anyway, as I mentioned, any opportunity for buy, we will take it, and we know what's the target we're looking for. The only things we need to be quite aware that may we get the daily correction. All right. Rather than that, we have nothing else to discuss. And at this point, I don't see any trade setup. We have to wait. The best things, if the price could give us next drop similar to any of this, then from there any trade setup will take it. Right. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.